So I'm just having a look at the under bonnet fuse box and relay box. So what we got? We've got this big link here, which I'll take it as negative and positive. Then we've got fuses. This 20 amp looks like your engine management system. AC, air conditioning. Horn, fan, fuel system, whether it's the gauge, the pump, whatever. Engine management, 15. Engine management, energy management. So quite a few of them. Hazards and aircon or defrosting the windows, something like that. Right, here we got lights, ABS, SM, which I haven't found out what that is yet, but I'll put that up on the screen. Engine management missing, because this old car obviously hasn't, and it's got the engine management relay missing as well. ABS and lights again. This is the horn relay, or something to do with horn, even though there's one in the front. SM again, don't know what that is, but I'll flash it up on the screen. Engine management, fuel pump relay, hill descent relay, and something to do with your aircon or your window defrosting again. That's it.